the use of water filter for separate the heavy metals with ionization process. 70% of the human body is made from water. Every day in our life, we use water. We use water for cooking, we use water for drinking, and many else. But we didn't know what is the substance that is invisible in the water. It could be advantageous for our body, or it could be dangerous for our body. So in this reason, I would like to make an experiment that could separate the heavy metals in the water with ions and then filtrate it. So the problem formulations of this research is I want to make a tool that could separate the heavy metals in the water. And then the second, I want to know the quality of the water that have been filtrated by the ionized water. And the purpose of the research is I want to know what is the tool could make the filtrate the ions in the water. And then I want to know too the quality of the water that could be ionized in water. Benefits of research. The benefits of the research, the result can provide an easy and cheap solution for people to know the right water that could be consumed, and then increase public awareness to the quality of water they consume. Okay, the method of the research. This experiment required a component that could convert the AC current into DC current. It is the diode. Diode could convert the AC currents into DC currents. Why we use DC currents? Why not AC currents? We use AC currents. We use DC currents because if we use AC currents, it would be good short circuit range. It could be explode and then blow. So we use DC for ionize the water and then separating the heavy metals in the water. Okay, let's come to study. And this is the materials that we must have required in this study to make a tool. And then this is the scheme of the tools that could be ionized water and separated the heavy metals from the water. How to make the tools? To make tools, we need all the materials, and then arrange 4 diodes 6 amperes into the PCB with WIC, water ionized circuit, and then determining the south pole and the north pole, and then connect it to the aluminum rod is to the south pole, and then the iron rod is to the negative pole. And this is the separate the metals. This is the water that this is the metals that have been separated. Okay. Result analysis. From the experiment that I conduct, we can conclude that water that use 250 milliliter in 10 minutes and 15 minutes from the sample is water, river water, shower water and then mineral water, showing the heavy metals in them. So it is harmful and dangerous for us. And this is the presented the clean water in the water that have been separated. The blue one is for 10 minutes, and then the red one is for 15 minutes, and the second repetition. The conclusion. After conducting experiment, the authors conclude that WIC, water ionic circuit, which is connected as a rectifier AC current into DC current, and then WIC, which is connected to the metal, function decomposition of heavy metal ions contained in the water, and then water that have been ionized make water clear. Recommendation. Further research needs to be done about the time the most effective in removing heavy metal content. And then further research needs to be done about amount of filtering is most effective in removing heavy metal content. That's the recommendation. I think that's all.